In recent years, the world has watched the housing crisis intensify to a point where millions of people across continents have been pushed into uncertainty, and yet in the middle of this rising challenge, a company named Icon has emerged with a technology that sounds like science fiction, but is rapidly becoming the most realistic path forward. The story begins not in a typical construction site, but in a lab where engineers, scientists, and dreamers are working with NASA on devices originally designed for building homes on the Moon and Mars. To understand how Icon reached this point, you have to imagine the scale of the housing problem on Earth, where traditional construction methods have become too slow, too expensive, and too dependent on materials that fluctuate in price. Icon's founders realized that if humanity is ever going to build habitable structures on other planets, those methods must be radically faster, more efficient, and able to withstand extreme environments. And if such technology can work in outer space, surely it could revolutionize housing back here on Earth. So they developed a massive 3D printing robot capable of extruding layers of advanced concrete-like material with unmatched precision, creating walls, curves, and entire structural forms without the need for large human crews. This printer works day and night, ignores weather, and performs tasks that might take weeks in mere hours. What NASA saw in Icon was a potential partner whose machines could build on other worlds using local materials, but what the world began to see in Icon was the possibility of homes that are stronger, faster to make, and far more affordable than anything produced by conventional construction today. And with this realization came the momentum that turned Icon into one of the most talked about forces in the global push to solve the housing crisis. Icon's journey toward integrating NASA technology into real-world solutions became clearer when the company joined NASA's Project Olympus, an ambitious mission aiming to construct habitats on the Moon. NASA challenged Icon to create systems capable of using lunar regolith, the dusty, rocky soil on the Moon, to print structures that could protect astronauts from extreme temperatures, micrometeorites, and deadly radiation. While the goals were space-focused, the engineering breakthroughs had immediate applications for Earth. Icon's team developed new printing materials, algorithms, robotic control systems, and structural designs that exceeded the performance metrics of typical housing. The same printers designed to withstand lunar conditions could easily outperform regular construction in demanding earthly environments like deserts, flood zones, and disaster-prone areas. Instead of viewing space technology as something distant from everyday problems, Icon saw it as a blueprint for leapfrogging outdated limitations. What once required months of workforce planning, heavy machinery, and manual labor could suddenly be executed with a single automated system guided by digital architectural models. And because the printable material is more durable and insulating than traditional concrete, the resulting homes are not only faster to construct, but also energy efficient, resilient, and customizable at scale. NASA's involvement pushed Icon to think beyond the limits of human capability, and that mindset transferred directly into neighborhoods where people desperately needed stable housing. As Icon refined its process, global interest surged from governments, nonprofits, and developers seeking a solution to rising housing costs, accelerating demand, and rapid urbanization. As Icon moved from prototypes to real-world deployment, the company began proving that housing could be created in a fraction of the traditional time without sacrificing quality or structural integrity. Their early communities of 3D printed homes stunned the world not just because of how futuristic they looked, but because of how practical the technology truly was. Construction sites equipped with Icon's large-scale printer resembled quiet manufacturing zones rather than chaotic building areas. Instead of dozens of workers performing physically demanding and often dangerous tasks, a small team monitored the robotic system as it printed the walls of a home layer by layer. People who visited these sites described a strange sense of watching the future unfold, one in which machines handled repetitive labor while humans focused on design, planning, and oversight. The printed homes demonstrated superior thermal performance, meaning they stayed cooler in hot climates and warmer in cold ones, reducing long-term energy costs for homeowners. Icon's material, known for its strength and durability, resisted cracking, moisture damage, and pests far better than traditional wood-based construction. All of this meant that the homes would last longer, require fewer repairs, and provide a sense of security to families who often felt that affordable housing meant compromising on safety or durability. For the first time, communities that could not previously afford modern, high-quality homes began to see a path to ownership. Icon's partnerships with nonprofit organizations brought this technology to those living in poverty-stricken regions, where traditional construction was either too slow or too costly to meet urgent needs. The sight of a home being printed in 24 hours inspired hope, showing that innovation could directly improve human lives instead of serving only privileged sectors. At the same time, Icon's collaboration with NASA brought unparalleled media attention and sparked conversations about how cross-industry partnerships could reshape the future of housing. While many people associated NASA with rockets, satellites, and distant missions, few realized how much the agency invested in technologies that eventually benefit life on Earth. The technology exchange between NASA and Icon became a prime example of how advancing humanity's ability to live on the moon could simultaneously solve one of Earth's most stubborn problems. NASA's engineers worked closely with Icon's designers to refine the robotics, strengthen the structural algorithms, and perfect the material mixture used by the printer. These upgrades made the machines more efficient, more stable, and more capable of handling complex architectural forms that most construction crews would struggle to build affordably. Icon used these advancements to push the boundaries of design freedom, allowing architects to create shapes that were previously impossible or too expensive: organic curves, domes, vaulted structures, and energy-efficient forms inspired by nature. With printing guided directly by digital models, Icon reduced waste by using only the exact material needed for each project, turning construction into a precise manufacturing process rather than an approximation done by hand. As climate change created harsher conditions and more frequent natural disasters, buildings needed to be stronger and more resilient than ever. Icon structures, influenced by NASA's extreme environment design requirements, were uniquely suited to this new reality. Governments began to take notice, exploring how this technology could support rapid post-disaster rebuilding efforts, refugee housing, and emergency shelters built at unprecedented speed. As demand grew, Icon scaled operations by designing larger, more advanced printers with extended reach, faster extrusion speed, and improved material science. These machines allowed for the construction of multi-room homes, community centers, and even multi-story structures. But the real breakthrough came when Icon introduced fully integrated digital architecture tools that allowed entire neighborhoods to be designed in software and printed with extreme accuracy. Planners could arrange layouts, optimize airflow, incorporate solar exposure, and craft efficient living spaces, all before a single layer of material touched the ground. This digital approach democratized architectural creativity by making complex structures affordable and accessible rather than exclusive to luxury projects. At the same time, Icon developed environmentally friendly materials that could be sourced locally, reducing emissions associated with transportation and cement production. The company experimented with mineral-based blends, recycled components, and binding agents designed to strengthen over time, creating structures that became more robust rather than degrading. These innovations helped address environmental concerns by offering a sustainable alternative to one of the world's most carbon-intensive industries. Icon's mission expanded from solving the housing crisis through speed and affordability to promoting long-term resilience and ecological responsibility. The company also launched educational and workforce programs, training local teams to operate printers and maintain systems, empowering communities with skills that created jobs and strengthened local economies. The more Icon scaled, the clearer it became that automated construction could reshape not just homes, but the entire global construction ecosystem. As the narrative continued, the world saw Icon tackling some of the most emotionally charged situations where housing was urgently needed. In disaster zones where earthquakes, hurricanes, and floods left thousands homeless, traditional rebuilding efforts often dragged on for years due to shortages of materials, labor, or infrastructure. Icon's 3D printing systems could be rapidly deployed to these areas, printing structurally strong shelters in days rather than months. Families who had lost everything found themselves receiving keys to homes that were not temporary shacks, but permanent, dignified structures capable of enduring future disasters. Icon shelters resisted wind damage, fire hazards, and moisture infiltration better than many existing local buildings. This shift gave humanitarian organizations a powerful tool to protect communities during their most vulnerable moments. In developing countries, where overcrowding and informal settlements continued to grow, Icon partnered with global nonprofits to build affordable villages that replaced unsafe housing with stable, modern homes. Each printed unit represented more than walls. It symbolized a pathway to security, improved health, and a foundation for economic opportunity. Icon's success stories spread globally, inspiring other companies to adopt similar methods and pushing policymakers to reconsider outdated construction regulations. While some critics questioned whether automation would reduce construction jobs, Icon argued that the industry had long suffered from labor shortages and that new technological roles would emerge. The goal wasn't to replace workers, but to empower them with safer, higher-skilled positions in operating and maintaining advanced construction robotics. As Icon's technology matured, it began attracting visionary architects, creative designers, and ambitious planners who saw in 3D printing an unprecedented opportunity to redefine the aesthetics and functionality of housing. Through collaborations with universities, design firms, and technology labs, Icon launched experimental housing projects that pushed creativity to new heights. Homes were printed with sweeping curves, seamless walls, and organic geometries inspired by natural structures like shells, dunes, and coral formations. These designs weren't just visually striking, they were structurally efficient, lowering material consumption while enhancing stability. With NASA's computational modeling techniques adapted into Icon software, engineers simulated stress loads, thermal performance, and environmental impact before printing even began. This integration of predictive modeling created buildings that were naturally suited to their environments. In hot regions, shading elements and thermal mass reduced interior temperatures. In colder climates, insulated walls preserved heat and lowered energy costs. Icon's moonshot thinking extended beyond single houses to entire future-ready districts. The company envisioned eco-friendly communities with integrated smart grids, autonomous maintenance systems, and sensor-driven infrastructure that could adapt to environmental changes. While these ideas sounded futuristic, early prototypes proved that such communities were far closer to reality than most people imagined. Icon's work signaled a shift from viewing housing as static physical structures to dynamic, adaptable systems designed to serve human needs for decades. In the final phase of this story, Icon's mission, once considered idealistic, emerged as one of the most realistic solutions to a global crisis affecting billions. By leveraging NASA technology, advanced robotics, and material innovation, Icon demonstrated that solving the housing crisis was not a matter of working harder, but working smarter. Traditional construction simply couldn't keep up with global population growth, increasing migration, and worsening climate challenges. But automated 3D printing could. Icon's future vision included collaborating with governments to create mass housing programs, building lunar and Martian habitats using extraterrestrial materials, and developing printers capable of constructing infrastructure like schools, hospitals, and commercial buildings. This merging of space technology and earthly need created a powerful narrative. The tools designed to help humanity expand beyond our planet were simultaneously solving one of the most painful issues on Earth. Families moved into their new 3D, printed homes with tears of relief, communities rebuilt faster than ever, and cities explored bold designs that were once dismissed as impossible. Icon's story became a testament to what happens when innovation aligns with compassion. It showed that the technologies built for tomorrow can transform today, and that the solution to the housing crisis might come not from traditional thinking, but from a company willing to look to the stars in order to build a better world for everyone.